Welcome to Brandi Films. So hello there. Hi, how are you doing? Yeah, welcome back to another video. This right here is a cold brew coffee. Yeah, this right here is a cold brew coffee that I made. And basically, this video is going to show you how to make cold brew coffee at home. So you do not have to leave your house to go to Starbucks or Scooters or any other little coffee shop, even though coffee shops are my favorite. I love coffee shops. But if you just want to make your own little cold brew coffee at home, here is a video on how you can do that. I don't know about you, but I love cold brew coffee. And to be very honest with you, for the longest time, I did not know what cold brew coffee was. I thought that it was just coffee that you just put in the refrigerator and it gets cold and you have cold coffee. That's what I thought it was for the longest time. And that's how I made it too. I was yeah, I make my own cold brew. Yeah, I do it, you know? And then I educated myself and I was okay, what really is cold brew? And then I found out what it really is. And it's cold brew. You know what I mean? Cold brew. However, the brewing occurs in cold temperatures, in the refrigerator. You know what I mean? So yeah, now I make my own cold brew and I just love it because honestly, making and having cold brew at home, it makes it so much easier to make iced coffee drinks or blended coffee drinks at home, without you having to leave your home. I don't know about you, but I personally live in the Midwest, and when the winter time comes around and sometimes in the fall, okay, we do get winter storms, aka snow and I almost said hail, snow and sleet, you know, which oh my gosh, yeah, that's ice. Okay, anyways, they're both ice, which is so interesting to think about. I just thought about that. Anyways, okay, so basically what I'm trying to tell you is yeah, in the winter times, right, sometimes I don't want to leave the house. I mean, for me, I kind of don't really like to leave the house anyway. What I'm trying to say is in the winter time, if you know how to make your own cold brew, your own coffee drinks at home, if you're a coffee person, if you love coffee, that is, right? I know not everybody loves coffee, okay? Coffee is not for everyone, but those who coffee is for, it is for them. And I personally am not a coffee fanatic or anything like that. I don't even have coffee every day, to be honest with you. But when I do have my coffee, okay? When I do have my coffee, I like to have my coffee, okay? I want it to be good quality. I want it to be smooth. I want it to be strong and just you know what I mean? Just yeah, it needs to be really good. And so yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I make my cold brew at home. Super easy, super simple. My cold brew turns out excellent, absolutely excellent. So if you are curious about the things that I'm using in this video, I will be sure to link as much as possible down below in the description box for you to check that out if you're interested. Okay, so enough of me talking, because honestly, I need to get back to my coffee drink because it's starting to melt. That's one thing about it. I do not like my coffee drinks to get super melted, to where it's 50% water. No. So yeah, I gotta go because I need to finish drinking my coffee drink, and you need to see the video. You need to see how to make your cold brew. And hey, here's the thing, okay? If you are a coffee fanatic, okay, just know I am not a pro. I should have gave my disclaimers up front, okay? I am not a pro. I don't know all of the ins and outs of coffee, but what I do know is I like it and I make a good cold brew at home. And maybe this video will be helpful for you, or just pure entertainment. That's totally fine too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, God willing.